Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your AirPods are paired and updated. This avoids connection hiccups. Next, open the camera app and pick photo or portrait mode because those accept simple inputs. Once done, decide how you'll trigger, either the built-in remote double tap or press on stem or voice control gestures. Enable voice control in settings if you prefer Hey Siri or a tap alternative. Make sure Bluetooth and Do Not Disturb are off so the signal reaches the camera reliably. Now configure the actual trigger so your input fires the shutter. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap your AirPods entry and pick the double tap or press behavior. Map it to Siri or play /pause depending on model. If direct camera control isn't an option, create a shortcut that opens camera and takes a photo, then assign that shortcut to the AirPod press. Test the trigger from the distance you plan to shoot at. This confirms timing and prevents wasted shots when you move into frame. With framing locked and exposure set, position yourself and keep the AirPods in range. Use the configured press to trigger the shutter and then pause 1 to 2 seconds to avoid motion blur. This gives any image processing time. If the photo doesn't capture, start troubleshooting. Toggle Bluetooth, unpair and repair the AirPods, or force quit and reopen camera. Make sure no app is blocking the microphone or Siri. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and retry the same steps to clear transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.